since y'all been coming the whole time.
What in the world?
Y'all kind of know the ins and outs, so we don't have to go over the beginning, which is good. So the thing is that I want us to have projects at the end of each day. So this is a poster, it's 24 by 36. It's a campaign, it's something that they feel strongly about, anti-bullying. So we're looking up some anti-bullying stuff. So right now we're just setting up I'm just going through a scenario right here. I like this right here with this color. I like these letters, kind of big. I like this, it's like speaking to that audience. So part of this is this is marketing and understanding who your audience is. Let's just say you're selling strollers. Who's your audience?
Babies.
People? That's general. We need to break it down even more. So babies. No, the audience isn't babies. Babies gonna be in the strollers. So who's the audience?
People's mamas.
Fathers. What age? Is they gonna be 12? No.
Probably 18 or older.
18 and older, mothers. So that's your audience. Makes sense? So you need to understand who your audience is so you can target them so they can buy from you. I can go up to right here to solid color. You're gonna like this better. I click solid color. Boom, that's my yellow. I click OK, and it's already there. Look, I type in bully. I'm gonna click OK. Now, once I got my text right there, I'm not gonna touch it no more. I need it to be bigger. But right here, if I go to my text size, it's stuck at 72. If I move my mouse over here with these two T's at.
We getting rich together. Can't believe I made it. It's my first time getting money. Where's my money? It's right here. Right there. Y'all can't see me. We getting rich. Hard body youngins. We getting rich together. Yeah. We getting rich together.